armed forces are developing the locally made AD-40 air defense missile system to boost their medium-range air defense capabilities. This new system promises to enhance Iran's ability to address a variety of aerial threats, from aircraft and drones to precision-guided munitions. As detailed in the technical data, the AD-40 is engineered to offer advanced detection, targeting, and interception capabilities, positioning Iran as a key player in regional air defense technology. The AD-40 missile, integral to Iran's AD-40 air defense system, features radar homing guidance, ensuring precise tracking and interception of airborne threats. Equipped with a 74 kg warhead and a proximity fuse, the missile is engineered to detonate effectively when close to its target. The missile boasts a maximum operational range of 40 km and an altitude ceiling of up to 18 km, making it capable of engaging various aerial targets. Equipped with state-of-the-art radar and tracking systems, the AD-40 can simultaneously engage multiple targets, a feature increasingly vital in complex modern battlefields. The system's tracking and guidance technology detects and targets low-signature drones, stealthy aircraft, and high-speed missiles. This multi-threat engagement capability represents a substantial leap in Iran's domestic air defense technology, which has traditionally focused on defending against singular, large-scale threats. The AD-40 leverages an advanced missile with a quick response time, designed for high-speed interceptions. These missiles are reportedly capable of reaching Mach speeds, enhancing the probability of a successful intercept even against evasive or high-speed threats. Its precision targeting system is also equipped with electronic countermeasures, ECCM, to resist enemy jamming and ensure accurate targeting, even in heavily contested airspace. Iran's defense strategy has been largely based on creating a layered defense network. The AD-40 is expected to integrate seamlessly with other air defense assets, from short-range systems to radars and command centers. This integration allows the system to operate within a coordinated defense network, maximizing coverage and minimizing national vulnerability. The development of the AD-40 underscores Iran's continued commitment to advancing its indigenous defense capabilities amidst ongoing regional tensions. While exact production and deployment timelines remain unconfirmed, unveiling the AD-40 signals a strategic shift, offering Iran greater control over its aerial defense without relying on foreign-sourced technology. As Iran advances its missile technology, the AD-40 also raises the stakes for air superiority and defense capabilities within the Middle East, impacting neighboring countries and potentially altering the regional balance. The AD-40 air defense missile system represents a crucial upgrade to Iran's defense infrastructure, with features that align it with modern air defense standards. With its extended range, multi-target capabilities, and strategic integration potential, the AD-40 could significantly enhance Iran's capacity to address and deter a wide range of airborne threats. Readers interested in more in-depth technical specifications can consult our technical data page on the AD-40 for comprehensive details on its development and capabilities.